Is this you spending hours on Google Translate just so you can speak to your customers? Well, the good news is there's a better way, and I'm here today to show you that. What we're going to use is an AI extension called Text Cortex. And what it can do is not only translate it really well, but help you craft the perfect response. So the first step is to download the extension. And it's pretty easy to do. All you've got to do is go to your extensions, manage extensions. Depending on your browser, they've got different stores, but you're going to type in Text Cortex. You're going to press click, add extension. Then you should fill in these details. So, and as you can see here, you can go through these steps and learn a little bit more about the different things you can do with it. But for now, I'm just going to go to my extensions. I'm going to view it. Okay. And as you can see, now it's all set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a test email. So this is a test email that I've sent myself in Spanish. For translating to different languages, what I'd actually recommend is going to the extension in the bottom right. Now writing in, could you help me translate this email to English and come up some responses in Spanish, but show me the translation? And this is so I can see exactly what it's translating in case I want to proof check it, anything, change it, or anything like that. So as you can see here, it comes up with 3 different responses. So XenoChat can be used in marketing to improve user experience. XenoChat can be used for real-time customer support. XenoChat can be used to automate responses. And you can talk to it, get different responses, things like that. But what I'd highly recommend doing is setting up a knowledge base. So what you can actually do is train the AI everything about your business. So when someone has a question like this, it's going to know exactly what to say. And I'm going to cover that in another video. I think it really just takes your responses that much further, especially if you've got a product that's quite niche. But for general customer service needs, it's pretty well equipped on a lot of different topics, and it's even got access to the internet. So if you want to save time and make your business more international, the link to the extension will be in the description below. Thank you. I've been Roman from Text Cortex. Goodbye.